Thank you for visiting Wealthy Coins again. Confirmation of $1 will be sent by Shibarium via SHIB. Recent developments at SHIB. Forecasting the price of SHIB. When it comes to Shiba Inu, a 200-day MA is a make-or-break situation. Markets are on edge as Shiba Inu starts a make-or-break test of the stable 200-day moving average. Price levels and the rising 200-day moving average were yesterday's primary areas of concern. Last week we forecast a retracement pattern, and here it is. After being rejected at 0.00001500 USD. Discussed in this video are the following topics: the confirmation that Shibarium will send SHIB to $1, news on SHIB, and a prediction of its price. If you want to see more videos like this one, where we predict and analyze the prices of Shiba Inu, be sure to subscribe to our channel, share the video, and give it a thumbs up. Now, let's get the video started. At this very moment, the 200-day AMA is undergoing its most important test. The widely anticipated burn mechanism has bolstered bull confidence, which could lead Shibarium to propel SHIB to new heights if this bounce holds. Prices are presently trading at 0.0001220 USD. Right on the 200-day moving average, marking the 9th day of localized retracement. As bulls persist in their pursuit of support near 0.0001250, the daily change is 2.17%. This test is important because attempts at consolidation at this level over the weekend were successful because to the rising 200-day moving average. The price levels remain above the more visible local support between 0.0001 150 and 0.00001 2000 USD. As investors await a definitive signal from the make-or-break test, the price action is expected to stay steady. Gazing at the indications provided by SHIB, the 14th of February has more hazy signals. With SHIB's continued ascent into oversold zone, the RSI 14 reveals a growing bullish divergence at 38.5. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, has been in a cooling-off period since the 4th of February, a period of 9 days. This sheds light on the flow of SHIB off exchanges and provides an intriguing on-chain picture. February saw a consistent decline in net transfer volume. This is after a massive surge on the 9th of January, when currencies flocked to exchanges in anticipation of price increases. When prices encountered resistance at $0.0001500 in the final week of January, the sell-off most likely occurred. It appears like long-term holders were cashing out following a challenging crypto entry, which could mean that the brunt of the selling pressure is over. It means that the speed could rise if it bounces off the 200-day moving average. The balance of exchanges further supports the optimistic on-chain mentality. In February, the SHIB on-exchange balances decreased by 5.4%. With the Shibarium debut this week just around the corner, this bodes well for the accumulation and removal of supply from exchanges. Second, the most minor bearish divergence is shown by a quick look at the MACD, which reads minus 0.0000000, representing the support test adjacent to the 200-day moving average. This is unimportant. At the moment, our most conservative estimate for possible gain is 0.0001500 USD. In the event that prices do recover, the upside seems set to surpass this level. This is a result of the Shibarium announcement and the decreased selling pressure on exchanges, with probable declines to prior support at $0.0001150. The downside risk of collapse here is minimal. With a present risk-reward ratio of 3.55, SHIB is an enticing entry, with low downside risk. According to yesterday's Shiba Inu pricing report, the breed's burn rate increased by 1,000% in just a few hours. The sharp increase in the burn rate has prompted some market watchers to predict a strong resurgence of inbound investment. There may be an improvement on the horizon shortly, as deflationary pressures are expected to intensify with the debut of Shibarium expected this week. The burning of billions of additional SHIB due to Shibarium will increase the shortage of supply and, in theory, cause prices to rise. The price decline, however, has been bought by one of the largest Ethereum investors. According to Whale Stats, a mysterious Ethereum whale spent around 2.75 million USD on a massive 223.07 billion Shiba Inu. Surprisingly, the whale now ranks 329th in ETH holdings, and among the top 1,000 ETH whales in terms of purchase volume in the past 24 hours, Shiba Inu is the 8th most purchased coin. The key backer is identified as Blue Whale 0073 by the data source. Just like he did with SHIB not long after buying it, the whale has begun dispersing his tokens to other addresses. As of early February, his cryptocurrency holdings were valued over $45 million. Considering the still-hyped upcoming debut of Shibarium, the Shiba Inu whale may have taken advantage of the downturn to purchase SHIB reasonably cheap. If Bitcoinist Satoshi Kusama is to be believed, Shibarium's primary developer, Shiba Inu, has planted the seed for a Valentine's Day launch. But he denied the claim recently, saying he couldn't provide a firm debut date. But Kusama dropped a clue that the launch might happen before May in a Telegram conversation. Some members of the community had been guessing that Valentine's Day would be the launch date, so they made this declaration. With this, Shibarium still doesn't have a specific release date, which has dampened the expectations of the SHIB community given the current excitement, which is also reflected in the price of the SHIB. Kusama said in a wink in response to the speculation, "The price is still rather high, which means it has the potential to significantly impact SHIB prices. Launches can easily turn into buy the rumor, sell the news affairs when the anticipation for them lingers for too long. This may cause a precipitous drop in the SHIB price on launch day, for the reason that investors eagerly await a local high to cash in on their SHIB earnings." As of this writing, the SHIB price was 0.00001229 USD, with the 200 EMA of the 4-hour chart providing support. Upside, the $0.0000129 resistance level is crucial. While Elon Musk continues to look for a replacement for Twitter CEO, he jokingly introduced a dog to the role, causing Floki, Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu values to skyrocket. The three meme coins Doge, 6.1%, Shiba Inu 4.3%, and Floki 39%, saw substantial price increases as of the time of publication. Fantastic news! Twitter has a new CEO. Musk posted a photo of a Shiba Inu dog, clad in a black jumper that read CEO, sitting behind a desk. Twitter has placed a contract on the desk, where Floki's name, the title of Chief Executive Officer, and a paw print signature are visible. Much superior to that other man, was another remark that Musk included in his subsequent tweet. "I suppose I'm the only one insane enough to take the job," Dogecoin's creator Billy Marcus said, in response. Writing with an air of mystery, "He is an ideal candidate for the position," Musk said in response to Shibutoshi Nakamoto's remark. Two additional tweets were sent by Elon Musk after these. The first one seems to depict a Shiba Inu dog with some sort of financial statement. "His proficiency with figures is impressive," Musk remarked. In the second, Musk compliments Twitter CEO on his sense of style, who is dressed similarly to Steve Jobs. This comes while Elon Musk is already under fire from the media for his controversial statements and actions on free speech, and his tweets only add fuel to the fire. Musk announced his intention to resign as CEO of Twitter in December of last year, contingent upon his finding a successor capable of sustaining the site. Musk said that Twitter was going bankrupt and that the incoming CEO would have a tough job ahead of them. Even though ad revenue has been declining, Musk has stated that the company is safe and is on course to turn a profit. Although it is only conjecture, Musk's latest tweets might suggest that he has found a replacement. Perhaps the millionaire is utilizing the Shiba Inu pictures to lighten the mood before making a formal statement. Also up for debate is the question of whether or not the position required a particular ideology, whether it Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, or Floki. However, it should be noted that Musk is tweeting about more than just Dogecoin this time. He is also tweeting about Shiba Inu and Floki. Lead developer Satoshi Kusama also replied to Musk's tweet with a happy face, which could explain why SHIB is priced more. At the same time, the meme currency community is ecstatic with the